Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish masala at home, updated. Start by rinsing and patting dry 1 pound of firm fish, then marinate with turmeric, salt, and lemon juice for 15 minutes. Heat oil, fry onions until golden, add ginger, garlic, and tomato paste. Cook until the oil separates, then add spices and simmer the fish gently until cooked through. Serve hot with rice or flatbread for a cozy meal. I'll walk you through making a balanced spice mix for fish masala that sings with flavor. Toast cumin, coriander, and mustard seeds lightly, then grind them to a fine powder. Combine with turmeric, garam masala, and chili powder, tasting as you go so the heat suits your family. Mix the spice blend into your tomato-onion base and simmer for a few minutes before adding the fish for best infusion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for hands-free timers and step prompts while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once your sauce is ready, gently nestle the marinated fish into the simmering masala so it absorbs flavor without breaking apart. Keep the heat medium-low and spoon the sauce over the fillets occasionally to cook evenly. For 1-inch thick pieces, cook about 6 to 8 minutes, checking for flakiness. Finish with fresh cilantro and lemon to brighten the dish, then plate immediately for best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.